check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill we just had done for a customer. Now this one here is a 4-piece top. It is made with solid 925 sterling silver. It has the white border around and diamond dust. They're in the middle. It's a handmade piece, guys. Here's the back side. It's made to fit perfectly. You can choose how many teeth you want. This is a 4-piece, but you can do a 6, an 8, or a 10. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. This is a handmade piece, so it's a perfect fit. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Diamond dust, 925 sterling silver, solid, custom grills. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.